Hi, today I'm pairing with me HUAWEI Nova 10 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration. After that we can see here ring messages and notifications volume panel. Just to mute notifications we should hold and swipe to the left side this white dot, and that's it. Also we have just the second way how we can do that. If you want to stay with the ringtones and you want to mute only notifications, you should unmute your volume panel, scroll down, click the notification tone and switch your currently notification sound just to none. Then just go back and that's it. We can see that we have here only vibration in notifications. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.